A marvelous morning. The session is powered by Mrs. Lata Prasad. The other class we discussed simple present. I would like to tell you one thing. Discussed. Few of the people use discussed about. That is wrong. Why? About itself we are telling something. Discussed we are telling something. So both at a time we are not supposed to use. That's what the other day we discussed simple present, the structure and the usages and where all we are committing errors. Okay. Today we are going to learn present continuous or present progressive. What is present continuous? It denotes an action which is continuing only in the present time. See, now the boy is running. That action, here it is starting and here it is continuing. Around now, he is sleeping. Temporary actions, we are staying at hotel. Trend, the rate of commodities are increasing. Repeated actions, they are always making noise. Here all we can observe is plus ing form. Here is plus ing form. Here are plus ing form. Here are plus ing form. Here also are plus ing form. Then future. She is shifting to Hyderabad next week. Here also is plus ing form. So what is the structure of continuous tense we can use? Is or am or are plus ing form. The structure of present continuous tense. See, for example, I am working. You are working. We are working. They are working. He is working. She is working. It is working. What are these? These are first person singular, second person singular and plural, first person plural, third person plural, third person singular, he, she, it. So along with all these personal pronouns, we can use am, are or is plus ing form. Working. Okay. So present progressive tense, the structure of present progressive tense, we have to remember that is, am, are plus ing form. Okay. Next, how to use present progressive tense. Here see, subject plus to be plus verb plus ing form. Example, I subject, am helping verb, work verb, then present participle ing form. Okay. Subject to be verb plus ing form. Then in positive, negative and questions, how we can use this? I am. Along with I, am. Auxiliary am we will use. You, we, they. Along with this, we use are. He, she, it. Along with this, is we will use. Negative, as we know that, not. In each places, not we will use. Then question. So, how we can ask the question? Am I? Question mark. Are you? Question mark. Are we? Are they? Is he? Is she? Is it? Okay. Then, am I late today? Question mark. Are you going to your college today? Question mark. Are we going for a movie today? Question mark. Are they late today? Question mark. Is he late today? Question mark. Is she late today? Question mark. Is it correct? Question mark. Like that, questions we can frame according to this order. How? Positive, negative questions. Then Contractions. What is contractions? Short forms. In every written part, we may not get time to write full word or full sentence. So such places we can use contractions. I am, you are, we are, they are, he is, she is, and it is. So these contractions also we can use in present continuous tense. Then where all we can use ing form? Most verbs add ing form in this category. How? Verb ending in e. What we have to do? We have to drop e. And use ing form. Use, using, take, taking. Here all we drop away e, and instead of e we used ing form we used. Then verb ending in ie. What we have to do? Drop ie, and instead of ie what we have to use? Use y and write ing form. For example, lie, lying, and tie, tying. Verb ending in cvc. Consonant, vowel, consonant sound. What we have to do? Double the last letter. Clap, clapping. Sit, sitting. So, like this way we can use present continuous or present progressive tense in various circumstances or various situations. Okay? Now, where all we can use contractions? Positive sentence we can't use contractions. Only negative sentence we can use contractions. Is he coming late? Yes, he is. Here it is not required contractions. Are they going to the meeting? Yes, they are. No contractions. No, they aren't. So negative sentence we use here contraction. Short form. Are you studying? Yes, I am. Here also positive sentence, there is not necessary to use any contractions. No, I am not. Here again we are using contractions. So while writing contractions, only negative sentences we can use contractions. Positive sentence it is not required. Okay, then in present continuous negative sentences, how can we make it? In present continuous negative sentences, how can we make it? She is calling. This is a positive sentence. She is not calling. And how can we make contractions out of it? She isn't calling. Like that, we are joking. Positive sentence. We are not joking. Negative sentence. Contractions, we aren't joking. Okay? And see, while framing positive sentence and getting the answer, it is not required to use the entire sentence. See, is he coming late? Yes, he is. It is not required for you people to use yes, he is not coming late. It's not required to use the full sentence. So, instead of that, we can use in negative sentence contractions. Okay? Then questions. They are purchasing a new house. They are purchasing a new house. Are they purchasing a new house? By using this auxiliary verb, and we can frame a question here. Then here, how can we change a sentence from simple present to present continuous or present progressive? I bring. That is simple present only. Why? That is I bring, that is first person singular. Along with this, we are not supposed to use anything else. I bring. Here, I am bringing. So, am plus ing form. Am plus ing form. We purchase. first person plural. We are not supposed to use anything along with the verb. The root verb as it is, we can use it. We are purchasing. So along with are, ing form we used. They jump. They. Third person plural. Along with this, they are jumping. Are plus ing form. Okay. Same like that. She is cooking. By using is auxiliary verb, we can ask a question. Is she cooking? Yes, she is. We are going to railway station. Answer. We are going to railway station. Answer that is. Are we going to railway station? Yes, we are. Like that we have to frame the question and we have to take the answer. So, contractions commonly we use in negative sentences. You can follow these notes and you will come to know what is what. Okay. See, common errors. Common errors we are committing in the field of present continuous or present progressive. See, for permanent actions, I am living in Hyderabad. We are not supposed to say, where do you live? I live in Hyderabad. Don't say, I am living in Hyderabad. Then, stative verbs. I am understanding English. We are not supposed to say, I am understanding English. Do you understand English? Yes, I understand English. It is not understanding English. They are having a car. We are not supposed to ask, they are having a car. We are not supposed to say, they are having a car. They have a car. They are having a car means what is the meaning? It's continuously you are getting cars more than more. Day after day, you are getting many cars like that. That is meaningless. That is a ridiculous way of speaking. You are not supposed to say they are having a car. They have a car. We are manufacturing biscuits. That is permanent action. We are not supposed to say we are manufacturing biscuits. We manufacture biscuits. That only you have to say. So these are the common errors. Knowingly or unknowingly or mortally or immortally we will use such errors. That also you can rectify after seeing these classes. Then in present continuous or present progressive tenses, how can you make positive sentence, negative sentence and questions? Example, Mohana is making tea. Positive, she is making tea. Negative, is not making tea. Then question, is Mohana making tea? Yes, she is. That might be the answer. Then second example, Spandana is dancing. Positive sentence. Negative sentence, Spandana is not dancing. Negative sentence. Then question, is Spandana dancing? Yes, she is. Then next example, they are playing softball. Positive sentence. Negative, they are not playing softball. Then are they playing softball? Question. So while making questions, what we have to do? We have to take the helping verb and asking question or framing questions. Are they playing? Next example, Medha is singing. Positive. Then negative, Medha is not singing. Is Medha singing? Yes, she is. Like that should be the answer. So, common errors and how can we make positive sentence? Out of that, how can we make negative sentence? And out of that, how can we make question? And how can we make answers? Already we got it. Okay. So, permanent settlement, we are not supposed to use ing form. Even though it is in continuous form, we are not supposed to use it. Okay. So, like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon below so that you will never miss an update from Amazing English classes.